This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the GME price has been dropping, and I don't think it's because of people selling. I believe it's the fraud and corruption on the part of the bad actors that are trapped in a GME play and can't get out. But I also think that there's a possibility, and this is just my opinion. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any GME shares, but there's a possibility that the 20 million shares that they announced that they were going to sell, I believe they might be going into the market right now, and that might also be contributing to the price drop. Just my opinion. I don't know, and we won't know until GME issues, a 13F stating that they sold the shares. But the bottom line is this. If they put 20 million real shares out there, it won't really help the bad actors in the long run. It'll help them kick the can down the road because they'll be able to cover 20 million real GME short positions, but it won't even matter because they created billions of counterfeit GME shares, in my opinion, and GME is not going bankrupt. They're sitting on too much cash, and all it takes is for Ryan Cohen to find a very great business opportunity, and it will spell doom for these naked shorters who are trapped inside the GME play. But the volume dropped from the day before, so it tells me that they're being a little bit more cautious. But that's just my opinion. Until we get some kind of filing from GME, we won't really know exactly what's going on as far as those 20 million shares. But anyway, here's a GME volume, or the reported volume, 8,694,924. You guys know those numbers mean absolutely nothing because we have no idea what's going on in the dog pools and the other exchanges that they're using to manipulate the price of GME stock. They're still claiming 26.78% DRS. Those are the same numbers every day for 3-4 years. It doesn't even matter because those numbers mean nothing. Calls in the money, 2,849. At $20, they're saying it's zero. That's incorrect. That's incorrect. But anyway, the data they release us is always incorrect. It's always incorrect. And it's released to benefit them or to change the narrative to try to manipulate us to sell our shares to them at a discounted price. 35.9% of that volume was shorted shares, so somehow they found 3 million new GME shares to short into the market and manipulate the price. And of course, the DOJ, the FBI, the SEC is not going to ask them where they got those shares from. It's absolutely crazy to me that this level of fraud and corruption could be going on for this length of time. And we allegedly have law enforcement agencies and regulatory agencies who are supposed to be protecting the market. Where are they? And then, of course, they're claiming they can cover all their GME short positions in 4.97 trading days. If that was true, they would have done it already and got out the play. They're trapped in the play. They can't get out. And once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. I'm just telling you the bad actors let their greed take over. And it wasn't just their greed. It wasn't just their greed. They were betting on what we normally do. Retail investors usually buy high and sell low. And because we flip that on these bad actors, they don't know what to do with themselves. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Where do you think they got the 3 million new GME shares to short into the market yesterday? Do you think they're real shares or they're just selling the same shares over and over and over again? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.